How you doing, freedom lovers? Let's go ahead and replace the front U-joint on our Dana 60 Dodge 24 valve. First step is you're going to want to put it on the lift. Nah, who are we kidding? Here's the tools I'm guessing you'll need. Here's the old U-joint. Notice it's got a needle bearing delete, very custom. For the short bus viewers, the right-hand U-joint cap still has its needle bearings. Proper torque spec here is Guten tight. Take a minute to put the spare U-joint you bought in your truck. Go ahead for a quick rip around the neighborhood. That'll tell you if you didn't align the U-joints properly, because they'll be out of phase. You'll get a pretty wicked vibration. Alright, after some work on your shop press, you should be at this step. Remember to put a little bit of Loctite on your U-joint cap bolts. Try to remember to realign your drive shaft end with the splining on your drive shaft. That way the balance still remains. Keeping in mind these Dodges, the front drive shaft is always spinning because there's no lockout hubs on the front axle. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Talk to you soon. Make sure to give old Peg a watch at Zip Ties and Bias Plies.